Adelaide. Let's talk about 3 must-visit places in Hobart. The first one is Salamanca Market. It's Tasmania's own market in the heart of the Hobart CBD. For over 40 years, this market has been open on all the Saturdays. Every Saturday morning, they have a lot of stores and stalls open up. The whole market and the area around it gave me a very Eastern European feel. The architecture in that part of Hobart City is influenced by British architecture, and that's why it's giving the European feeling. If you're an Indian and if you're craving for some butter chicken or idli dosa or any Indian stuff, you will get that in Salamanca Market as well. We get Indian food everywhere in Australia, so that's a good place to just go out and eat and spend your Saturdays.
I got a plan to get us out of here, and I'm made at the convenience store. Money's just saying, just a little bit of money, and we don't have to try to find just over the border into the city. And I love good times.
Excuse me, can I have this one?
Yeah.
The second must-visit place in Hobart would be Mona Museum. It's an architectural wonder. It's so beautiful. It's designed by Fender Katsadoulis architect. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's a really beautiful place to be. It's also called as Old and New Museum. It's located on the banks of Derwent River, and a short ferry ride would just take you to the Mona Museum. It's $30 for adults and $27 if you are a student. So if you just pay $27, it will cover the cost of ferry and then a museum as well. The entrance of the museum is from the rooftop garden, which is just on the ground floor. You go through the garden, you go down through the spiral staircase. It has 3 underground levels, and it has accommodations on the side and a lot of installations, artifacts, paintings and stuff. One of my professors from the university actually told me to go there specifically. He was like, if you're going to Tasmania, this is a must visit place. And it was a really nice experience overall. The third place would be the Port Arthur Historic Site. It's a 90-minute drive from the Hobart City. Port Arthur's historic site is the best preserved convict settlement area in Australia and actually throughout the world. That's why it's also one of the best tourist sites in Australia. It has been a tourist site from 1900s or so, I guess.
So my name again is Caitlin. What we're doing on our walking tour is just going to be a nice brief overview of the history as well.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. So like, share and subscribe. Bye!